Hindi mo kailangan personalin yung mga naririnig mo about you. Hindi lahat ng sinasabi ng tao tungkol sa'yo deserve an emotional breakdown. Minsan feedback yan, minsan inggit yan, minsan boredom lang yan. Kasi wala silang sariling ganap, kaya buhay mo yung ginagawang Netflix series. Most people are at war with themselves. Kalaban nila yung sarili nila. Kaya kapag may sinabi silang masama tungkol sa'yo, minsan hindi yun revelation about you. Confession yun about them. Yung insecure, mahilig manlait. Yung bitter, mahilig mangbawas ng saya ng iba. Yung walang peace, laging may issue. So bakit mo ipapasok sa puso mo yung ganong opinion ng taong kahit sariling buhay nila, hindi nila maayos? Hindi lahat ng naririnig mo kailangan sagutin. Minsan, ang best response is, okay, or even better, wag ka na mag-reply. Tapos continue being blessed and slightly out of reach. Kapag lahat pinepersonal mo, para mo nang binigay sa ibang tao yung remote control ng emotions mo. Isang comment lang, sira araw mo. Isang chismis lang, kine-question mo na yung self-worth mo. Pero secure people reflect, insecure people react, and wounded people project. So next time may marinig ka tungkol sa'yo, ask yourself, totoo ba? Kung totoo, then improve. Kung hindi, let go. Not everyone deserves access to your emotions. Protect your peace, stay focused, and keep becoming someone they can talk about but never stop.